Hey, all right. Welcome to another video. So, been a little busy this past couple of weeks with stuff outside, hot weather and all that, rain, flooding. No tornadoes, that's pretty good. I'm going to work on getting the tunnel work done with the ledge. Again, I had gotten all of this ledge roadside, found it where some cliffs were kind of just falling apart. Picked up 4 or 5 buckets of this. It's really not that heavy for rock. It's not too bad. I'm going to define this tunnel coming in here and these two that are coming out to, I'm pretty sure we're going to have a log yard here, a log yard. That's going to be really fun. Still working over on here on the train station. I have that over on a table, a little easier to work with than trying to bend over and get this. I have all the angles figured out. So without much further ado, time to do ledge work. Let's close this tunnel up. As I build this up, I want to make sure that I allow enough room for the train to fit through there. That would be awful to close that in. Yeah, there's good clearance there. Perfect. Back at the quarry, I need to make more. These are just too big a chunk. So I just tap them. This stuff just peels right apart. That'll do. That'll get me going. We're a little higher. Let's test this with the train coming through. Plenty of clearance. All right. That's going to work perfectly. A little side note, one of you folks sent me some more scenic material, shrubs and bushes and things. I am so sorry I didn't get your name. You could please let me know who you are. I'm sorry, I want to give you credit for this. I really appreciate that. Not sure where I'm going to put it yet, but I'm definitely going to use it. All right. Hey, so let's get it. So I've got the tunnel closed in on that end. Let's get a view of the train coming from a different angle. So here's a big moment. I've got stone built up all around here. I think it's time to cap this thing. I have selected the appropriate stone for this. I'm going to go something like that. That has good clearance all the way. I'm going to outline so I know where to glue it. I really just have not had much time to get down here with this, with all the rain and whatnot going on. Oh, where was that? Where's that mark? Where's that mark? Right there. Let's put us behind schedule a little bit as far as working. A little dab will do it. Oh, yeah. That looks great. All right. Let's cap this off around here. This is, as they say, some assembly required. We're getting a pretty good thunderstorm outside. I don't know if you can hear that. Yes. How's that look over there? I like that. I like that. I liked it. All right. This is the first time sending the train out into the yard, under the tunnel. Oh, yes. Great. Well, thank you very much for watching. Looks like the tunnel works. They can go in and out. I just have to finish over there. I think once I finish this down ramp area, the ledge work will be done, and move on to the rail station. I have not had time. It's pretty slow going. You have to really sit down and work pretty tediously with it to make sure it's right. Yes. Okay. Thanks for watching.